With Muse Pro, you have full control over the quality of audio that you want to share. Go to Settings, Audio, and explore the options in the Device Settings menu next to your selected input. The standard audio options are available for all Muse users. It's comparable to the compressed audio quality you'd find on Zoom and will be in sync with video. You can also share high-quality audio, but only have access to the first 2 channels of any device when using standard audio. You may also notice audio speeding up, slowing down, or lowering in quality if the network connection is unstable. Voice call under standard audio is the most basic option. It's good for talking on Muse and is the only option with built-in echo cancellation and noise reduction. High quality under standard audio is the better option for sharing music within standard audio. The professional audio options are only available to Muse Pro users and allow you to send stable audio, meaning the audio will not slow down, speed up, or lower in quality, depending on network conditions. You can increase or decrease the buffer to improve audio stability or stream audio faster, but this may prevent your video and audio from being in perfect sync. There are multiple options for compressed audio. Like above, low-quality Pro audio is suitable for basic conversations over Muse, whereas going down the list will result in better options for music sharing. There are also 3 options for uncompressed Pro audio. These deliver lossless, uncompressed audio designed for detailed audio work such as mixing, music production, or recording. At 16-bit depth, you can already expect high-quality audio. Going down the list further improves audio quality until it's as good as it gets. Please note that lossless audio uses a lot of bandwidth, so you may run into issues if you share too many lossless audio streams. With a professional audio quality selected, you can now share multiple mono or stereo channels. Click the Add Channels button to use multiple channels from the same audio device. To access more advanced settings, click on the Gear for Device settings. Here you can adjust the buffer. A larger buffer will result in more delay but less audio dropouts. A smaller buffer will result in faster audio sharing but with more audio dropouts. Depending on your internet speed, you may have to increase the buffer when streaming lossless audio to prevent dropouts. For sample rate, the higher you go, the better the audio quality. You can increase the sample rate to your liking. For additional tips, check out the Muse Pro guide linked right below.